Hello, in the next episode, today we are going to repair Nintendo Switch Lite, which came in for the liquid damage repair. So when it arrived, we could still hear the sound. When you press the touch screen or any button, we could hear the sound. Now it's completely dead. Battery was flat, or it's discharged during the night. So now it's charging. We've got 0.4 amps. We can't hear nothing because probably it's off. It needs a bit more charging. But this is not the main point of this episode. We know that it is liquid damage. From this point of view, the left-hand side is good. We cannot see any liquid damage. Even the sticker is not red. It's good. But on this side, we can see some liquid damage, especially the backlight connector. So let's go under the microscope. See what we've got here. So let's disconnect the battery first. And what we've got here. It doesn't look good. If we cannot fix this connector, if we cannot rebuild this traces, we just need to replace the screen, the whole screen. It's gonna be quite expensive. Let's try to clean this first, see what we can do about this. Alright, this is a bit corroded, but there is still contact here. What about the backlight connector? Really bad. This is really bad. This, we can see some sign of corrosion here. Alright, so this is not so bad. Actually, it is bad. Alright, because I don't have a time to try to make it look nice and clean. I'm going just to replace this board. First, I need to rebuild traces. Multimeter in diode mode, the bip mode. Check if we can connect it or no. No, there's no beep. Here we got good. We just need to rebuild just this. Right? No connection at all. Yeah, we need to connect this with jumper wire. It should be alright. Alright, so this is the moment of truth. If we did everything good, we should see the charging sign in the left corner. And we do. So as I thought, the battery was drained. Turning on. Yeah, everything works fine. Alright, as you could see, the Nintendo Switch Lite works fine, and there's nothing wrong with it. Please like and subscribe, and see you next time.